What up, everybody? It's time. I'm back with another video exclusive video only. Y'all know the routine. If you aren't subscribed to my video, please do so. And if you are subscribed, please leave a green check to let me know that you're watching and let me know you love my videos. Let me know you love my videos. Okay, today, so I'm guessing HydroDipping is the new popular thing going around. I've been seeing a lot of videos showing you all how to hydro-dip. Just showing you how to hydro-dip without telling you what to actually do. So I'm gonna tell you at the same time. Slides, yes indeed, we're gonna do the slides. Oh yeah, please be sure to follow my Instagram and all that because I do need a little more clout on that. Peace out, everybody. I'm gone. This is a Carrera, not a cop.
It wouldn't be me if I didn't do a voiceover. You'll be like, is somebody else running this show? Nah. But anyways, the first thing we would do is acetone. This is to make sure the paint will adhere. The same applies for customizing in the shoe. The hydro dipping is paint also, so the surface needs to be prepped.
Tried too many times, that's sad to say. I got in my bag today. If I didn't do that first, I probably wouldn't last a day. But oh well, they say I'm wrong when I freestyle, so that's why I write. But when I come off the top,
I don't want to talk too much. I want to let you all get your boogie on to the music. This next step, we are taping. Please take your time and tape up any area you don't want paint on.
got my fire on the ground, I burn a house. Ooh, yeah. And the coupe is brainless, I'm going dummy. I'm all in London, and they be blind hating, I swear I saw it coming. I had to get inside my bag, I'm talking go.
Now this is where you would get your hydro film or your pattern, same thing, and you would cut it the appropriate size for whatever you're putting it on. Once you cut it, you want to put tape around it to keep it from spreading around in the water. You will see what I mean later. And this is what it will look like once you tape it all up. Now what we will do, fill up a bucket of water. I use the water from the hose pipe, so I'm guessing that's room temperature. And your hydro film should be placed with the glossy side facing down. If you have any bubbles in the film, please be sure to get them out. Spray this Hydrographic Activator as you see I'm doing. Therefore the film will turn into a liquid paint.
What goes around, it comes around, yeah. Tell me how you feeling now. I know you wanna kill me now. Don't wanna hurt your feelings now, yeah. Your love is so toxic. Every time I see your pictures, I crop it out, block it out. I cannot stop it now.
The last step would be to rinse the slimy residue that should be left on top of the hydro film once you have done everything correctly. Oh, about time, last step. The last step, oh, about time. Because you don't see any mistakes in the video, or maybe you do. Ain't nobody perfect. Don't be afraid to start over. We all make mistakes. It is your choice to choose a finisher you want to protect the paint with. Thank you all for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gone!
You cannot hold me down, cause you wrote me down. Cause I remember I wrote it down. Don't know what else to do right now. Losing control, no cruising down. Living life and no slowing down. Yeah. What goes around, comes around. Yeah. What goes around, it comes around. Yeah. Tell me how you feeling now. I know you wanna kill me now. Don't wanna hurt your feelings now. Yeah. I'm a sinner, don't feel like a winner. Yeah. No love on Instagram, so I just swipe on Tinder. All for fun, different ones, and I don't understand it. Still be the same outcome. Yeah. All that love, leave it to the Falcons. Sometimes I think about my ex just like Malcolm. Make me wanna go back, but that is not what I want. It seems like